It's nuts.
Is that guy good?
Yeah, he's, yeah. Fuck. Huh? You good, bro?
Yeah, man. I was a little fucking tired, bro. I've been working all day.
Oh, get over on this side, bro. Get over here.
I don't want to see how bad yours is. Oh, dude. You guys can't move?
No, our shit was already fucking up. And so we pulled over and we was on the side.
Honestly, I'm just trying to fucking go right now.
I mean, they're calling, you know, they're calling police. They're doing their thing because, you know, we got to, but.
Who's gonna go on the way?
Look at the fucking rail, guys. Foot. Completely fucking foot. He doesn't have a scratch on him.
Huh?
You ain't got a scratch on you, bro. How?
Me?
Are you okay? Like, how are you walking around right now? What the fuck? What the fuck? Holy shit. God damn, shit's flying everywhere. I need to get that. Dude, this is not safe to be staying anywhere near this shit right now, bro. Bro, I saw it coming, bro. Like, Final Destination, bro. I saw the shit coming. I literally knew it. I kept telling him, I was like, bro, this is a terrible spot to be pulled over. Why are we pulled over right here? Like there was literally an exit less than a mile forward. We should have just rode it out to the exit. There you go. There, y'all got it. Y'all see that? That's the damage. That was my only chance to show it.
Rescues RV in the final chapter.
Yeah, y'all need to be careful. I just want y'all to know where you were standing is a dead zone. If someone hits this thing, y'all are dead. Like, this thing will smush you straight into here and you're dead. Huh? When it happened? Are you fucking serious? I didn't. Oh my god, dude. I forgot you were outside when it happened. That is so fucked. Hey, chicken. I don't know, dude. This is crazy. You're alright, dude. Thank fucking God, bro. You were standing right here, bro.
No, not standing. I was under.
You were what?
Between both tires.
What do you mean? You were in between the fucking tires when you got hit?
Yeah, he was under the car, dude.
Were you outside?
Yeah, I filmed it. Yeah, we got hit.
Look at Cam, bro, doing traffic. God damn. I'm being careful, guys. Trust me. I'm staying on this side of things. And right over here, you know, just staying a little hidden. I ain't trying to be out in the road and shit, bro. Homeboy is in his car right now, by the way. If anything hits anything again, he's done, bro. He already survived one. He don't need to be in there. I don't know what the fuck he's doing. He's like... Here they come. Oh, God damn.
Everybody's all right?
Yeah.
You're okay, but and then the second vehicle's on the other side. None of you guys are the guy up there? No, he's just going through his stuff. He's not. I checked up on him when it happened, so he's alright. He's staying.
We were parked back there a little bit, and then when we got hit, it slid all up here a little bit. So it's all fucked, dude.
Man, that's where the gas tank's at.
Dude, it's over, bro. It's over for.
Oh my fuck, dude. Thank God he only took out the wall.
I wish we had a cop light here now, so at least people aren't fucking missing. God, dude, the damage is so fucked. I showed it a little bit earlier. If you can see where the car hit, before it flipped, so it rammed into the side here and drug across a few, drug across all the way, up to here, and then flipped a little bit, did a little flippy flew, and then a 180 also when it hit the ground, hit the rail. I mean, the rail did like a 180 and then ended up facing us on the side. It was crazy, bro. I've never seen anything like that in my life. Blade's fine, Blade's fine. Thankfully, everyone is okay. That's his car, if you can see it, chat. It's flipped over. That's the headlight that's still going. That's still on the ground. That's the tag. Whole thing's fucked. Ow, my fucking back. It's good.
You good, bro?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
You're not hurt?
No, I'm good. You heard me say fuck. Oh shit, that's funny. Imagine. Nah. This is fucked. This is really fucked.
Did y'all see? You see anything at the car?
Huh?
How bad is the car fucked up? Look.
Oh, it's
total.
It's insane, bro.
It's total.
No way. No fucking way, bro. Oh my fucking God.
And it hit my
bro.
leg.
Are you looking at the clip?
And the RV hit my
Bro,
leg.
you have no idea how lucky you are right now, bro.
Or I don't know. I was like, it was nuts.
Oh, dude. Yo, if anyone thinks there's any chance of this RV ever running again, you are sadly fucking mistaken.
Alright, so who was driving when it happened?
Oh, not me.
Not it.
I'm gonna go get my Untitled. I'll be right back.
Yeah, whatever. If you got the reg.
The mysterious plate that I think it flew off when it got hit.
Can't they move it more to the right?
I mean, if it starts, you could technically move it to the right.
Yeah, we were parked, so really no one was driving. Honestly, that's true. I didn't. Yeah, but Cam was the last one to touch the keys. So realistically, no one was driving though. That's true.
Huh?
We were parked, so.
Well, yeah, when we were, yeah, we